So what actions can be taken from within Brand Registry once you've set it up? From the Manage menu, you can enroll a brand, which we discussed in another video, or you can manage your trademarks. In this section here, you will see the trademarks you have already uploaded for a brand. And in this section here, you can upload additional trademarks to a brand which has already been onboarded onto Brand Registry. If you have an issue with a listing on Amazon and you think it infringes your trademark, you can report this via Brand Registry. Go to Protect, Report a Violation. From here you can search for products by a number of attributes, including product name, brand, or ASIN. The ASIN is the Amazon Standard Identification Number, which is Amazon stock number. You can also search across multiple marketplaces. If we search for a product here by ASIN, we get the details of the product here. You can either select a portion of the product, for example here the images, or you can select the whole listing. Once you've selected the portion of the product you want to complain about, you need to select a report type. So for example here I'm going to select trademark infringement. You can then enter what best describes your issue and then submit. Brand Registry is a fairly new tool, and consequently some of the actions need to be performed by contacting Amazon Seller Support. If you want to change a product's category, update a brand profile, or change a product description, it needs to be done here from Support, Contact Brand Support. Also, if you want to add an additional user, that can only be done by contacting Seller Support. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.